Hey there, campers. Welcome back. Mike Sampson, Straw Hat Adventures. You already know it's another travel trailer walk around. Today, we're going to talk about the 2025 Sunset Park Sun Lite 24TH. Now, a couple weeks ago, I dropped a video about the 14THX. This is just going to be a bigger toy hauler by these guys in the 24-foot. This will have the tent tip out on here. So when we walk through, this is going to be a very spacious toy hauler while still being a bit on that smaller side from your traditional toy haulers. This one does have the patio setup, which is really cool. But for now, let's get some of the key specs out of the way. This guy is going to come in at $39.40 unloaded, a dry hitch of $440, a combined cargo capacity of 3460. Total length will be 24.6. It's going to be 8 foot wide and a height of 10.7. We will have a 36 fresh, a 28 gray, and a 28 black. The garage length will be 12 foot 9. And we're going to be, I'll take some measurements and confirm, but probably pretty close to almost for the garage space, right around that 6.5 foot mark. But I'll get the true specs at the end of the video in there for you. So, super excited to show this to you. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, you see we're going to start here on the front side. We're going to have the dual propane tanks on the front with a power tongue jack. This does look like we'll have the 2 5/16 ball. As we come along the back side, you'll see a battery disconnect, outside shower. This will have what appears to be at least a two-way refrigerator on this one. This will be a tandem axle. We do have our city water and power hookups there, along with some 110s and the coax cable for the TV. On the back corner here, you will see the ventilation, as it is a toy hauler. Up top is it's prepped for that Lippert ladder that you see on almost all these trailers these days. This is the tent tip out for the extra sleeping room. Definitely get 2 full-grown adults in this bunk there. Except this has the patio option, which then has the back awning, and then the grates there. The cool thing about toy haulers that I wanted to point out is that these are wheelchair accessible. So it's not just for the toys. So anyone that likes to camp, and needs a wheelchair or anything like that, then you can easily get in and out of your trailer through the back door, which, like I said, turns into a patio once you're set up, but it's your ramp door. So you get a nice ramp in there. We'll go to the front side real quick. You'll see pretty much a full-length awning on this guy. Nice large window right by the door. Some more power outlets, and then right here on the front corner, you're going to see your water heater. As we go inside, right when you walk in, you'll see your bathroom, and that's going to be a dry bath with a little vanity up top. Decent sized stand-up shower. Nothing too fancy. Perfect for out camping. Like I said, this is at least a two-way refrigerator. I'll have to look at the specs and double check. But you got a nice large refrigerator. You do have in this little nook here some power outlets, maybe stash the coffee pot, something like that. A nice large farmhouse sink with the cutting board cover. Right across from that, you're going to have your 3-burner stove with oven. You got your furnace right here as well. Hood vent. They throw in the Bluetooth speaker so you can get some better sound quality than those old style in the wall speakers. Microwave. Right here at the main door, you'll see your solar control panel and all your controls and indicators right there for both your awnings and things like that. Right here you have your sleeping and we'll call it the living area and toy area. You can see the tie downs there. This dinette bench will fold up to become another bed, and then also does tuck away up against the wall like you see in other toy haulers for that storage space. Right above this area, you're going to see that it has its cabinets. And then right across it, some more overhead cabinets. Hookup area, call that the entertainment stand in a sense. And then right next to it on the back corner, you're going to have this extra sleeping area, which is great. I think it's got like 1,100 pounds in weight capacity, something like that, which is real nice. Yeah, 1,100 pounds. Then right across from it on the other side is going to be your Murphy bed. And that easily comes down. So now you can definitely sleep probably 6 comfortably in here. 2 on this bed, 2 in your tent tip out, and then 1 to 2 on your convertible dinette area. And there you have it, folks. This is the 2025 Sunset Park Sun Lite 24TH. I'm Mike Sampson. You can email me at mike@cortlandrv.com. If this is something that really interests you, we can get more in depth of its specs and things like that. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.